Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day I was chatting to an old friend of mine who works at one of the larger English language schools here in London. And eventually we got talking about a mutual friend of ours who's also been working in the same school for quite a long time. And my friend mentioned that this other person was going to be leaving and added, we're having a bit of a whip round to get them a leaving present if you'd like to chip in. If you have a whip round or have a bit of a whip round, you collect money from a group of people to buy a present for someone, or maybe just to give as money to this person. And you ask each person to chip in to give a little bit of money towards the total. So people often have a whip round at work for people who are going to be leaving, to buy them a kind of leaving present. Maybe if you go on a tour, maybe a week tour with a driver or a guide or both, at the end of the tour you have a whip round and you give the guide and the driver a decent sized tip. In our street, we had a Ukrainian mother and son who had been living with a host family for about a year. And they recently set up on their own. And in the street, we had a bit of a whip round to make sure that they had furniture and crockery and cutlery and all that kind of stuff when they started in their own place. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of when maybe you've had a bit of a whip round.